Alright, what is going on, guys? Thank you guys so much for joining me. This is the first time vlogging anything. I'm super excited. This is the first day I'm going to get my bike out of the storage. I've had it here for multiple months and I've absolutely missed my bike. So wanted to give you guys a show of my bike and wanted to bring you guys along and see what we can do. I've absolutely missed it. So now it's down to trying to get my bike out of the shop. That took a lot, for sure. I didn't expect it to take this long. It took me a while to get it in here in the first place, so let's get her out in the sunlight and see what happens. Don't hit the camera. Oh, that was a pain. All right, well, guys, I'd like to introduce you to my baby. There she is. This gorgeous looking thing. There you go. What is going on, guys? Here, real big replay. Just wanted to chat, see how everything turns out. We're just doing a little bit of a video, and hopefully it works out. I got hair in my mouth. God damn it. So just trying to figure out like what's the best like volume for like my riding style. Actually, let's go ahead and let's do a little bit of that. Man, this whistling is bad. So we're just gonna check and see some stuff, figure out what's going on with my audio here, and just going off for a ride, man. It's a gorgeous day. So thank you guys so much for coming along and checking it out. This video is definitely going to be cringe. Just trying to figure out audio settings and shit. So I think we should be fine. I hope my audio is going to be just fine. If not, that's definitely going to be a problem. Definitely something to figure out in the future. So yeah, stay tuned, I guess. So every light I think is like a easier time to like chat, because I'm not going like 50 or above. So it's always interesting to see like how to properly do it and what audio settings I need to do and vice versa. So yeah, thanks again for joining me today. We're gonna pop the visor up because it's kind of nice out. But there's got to be like an audio difference between when I have my visor down, when I have it up, and vice versa. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, kind of new to this YouTube thing, so we're just gonna figure it out together. I fully appreciate you guys' patience. Currently, I only have one camera, so we're gonna make do with that. And potentially, we're gonna have a second one mounted right over here. I think I used one originally to like test and see what it would look like. So I'm hoping to upgrade eventually and get a second camera going. So just for some difference. But yeah. So I'm currently riding on the KTM 390 Duke, and it is a 2021. It is my second bike, and I absolutely love it. I wanted to buy a naked bike for a while, and just trying to figure out which one and where to go shop and what kind of bike I wanted. Overall, I absolutely love this bike. I was told by Yanmi Noob that it was definitely more of a beginner's bike. I mean, it's a 390. The CC is obviously not like a leader bike. I wasn't planning on ever getting a leader bike. I think they're overkill in many ways. So, but yeah, I just wanted to ride again. I got my license a long time ago, so I've been missing the ride. But yeah, I've had this bike now for about a year and a half, and absolutely love it. So we're just gonna go out for a stroll and then stop by at dealerships and see what's going on. This is gonna be a mess. All right, let's see. Do we want to get over? Yeah, probably. Alright, we're going to create some distance just to make sure I know traffic signs and all that, and yeah, we're going to figure some stuff out. Yeah, I definitely don't want to go west, so we're going to check the highway audio later. I think we're going to hit like 106 and then go back one block and see how that goes. Alright, I absolutely love roundabouts. They're one of my favorite things. There's something about them. It's just so much fun. Alright, let's go. Let's go! Sakes, man. That was bad. Okay, I was a little fast, but... oh, fun times, man. Fun times. You definitely gotta watch out on your bike. I think I was going 45. I don't know. I gotta check again. That's always something to watch out for when you're riding. Like, people usually miss us on like a daily basis, and so just having courtesy of like checking out, like you're not. You gotta stay visible. Like, especially for all the motorcycle people out here. Like, man, it is tough. I've been meaning to show you guys this location, and I really wanted to include it in the first video to also kind of end the video, but I keep missing the sunrise. To be fair, it's kind of my own fault. I should have already been over there by now, and I really haven't. There's a very special place that I really enjoy going to, and I've been meaning to ride you guys over there, show you guys what I mean. The problem is that now that the sun is already up, it's not going to be as pretty, but I still wanted to show it off. So we're just going to ride out there for the end of this video and just kind of show you guys the layout. It's supposed to be pretty nice all day, so I'm definitely planning on filming some more this week. I want to get starting on the second video, so you'll be seeing part of this for sure in this video, and then I'm planning on releasing the next video next week, so that I'm trying to keep to a schedule where it's one video. Where it's one video a week. I think that's pretty manageable for me. So I apologize if that's not enough or if it's too much. Just let me know. It's about a 15-minute ride, so I'll probably catch you guys once I get a little closer. And we are here. Just double checking. So something that I really love about this spot is just the view you get, especially. So we're gonna park there in a second, but I just wanted to take you guys across, and that is what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna dip in here real quick. All right. If I can find my key. Jesus. Oh. All right. So we're gonna cut across here in a second, and I get to show you guys what I'm talking about. I usually like to get across there and just view the sunrise. So I'll most likely try to get the drone up and show you guys a little bit around. But yeah. Well, with that, guys, I fully appreciate you guys sticking around to the end, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. See ya.